Hey, good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. Hey, we are live. It is Monday morning. Good Monday morning to everyone. Timbo, good morning. Trading Ever After, good morning. Peter Schapp, good morning. Daryl, good morning. Black Coffee Trader in the house, good morning. Kid Poker, hey Kid Poker, how's it going? Mr. Wall Street, good morning. NP, good morning. KZO, good morning. All right, boys. Let's see what this market does. We've been overnight session. We made new market all-time highs up here at the 340s. But since then, we have pulled back quite a bit. So I'm very curious to see what we do here at the open. I am very interested to see what we do. Hey, good morning, Amelia Stitcher. Hey, Florida Paper Girl, good morning. Ejectco, Sin City Futures, good morning. Nathan, good morning. TZG Andy, good morning. Takako, good morning. Detonator, good morning. Jenna, good morning. Dave. Arnie, Cardia, good morning, Cardia. A-Man, good morning. All right, boys. Let's hope we can right the ship this week. Right now, my main goal this week is to stop the bleeding. The last two sessions have been pretty ugly. They have been pretty ugly, and we've lost quite a bit of momentum that we had, unfortunately. So main thing today is to follow the rules, follow the strategy. I need to get back to just making sure I'm not trying to predict the market, and I just need to follow my entry rules. Last week we went a little bit off the wagon. But we didn't have a full meltdown, so that's good. R5 Studios, good morning. Diary of Futures Day Trader, good morning. Grant, good morning. Andre, good morning. Oh, the clock, thank you. The clock is up and running. All right, market is about to open. Market is about to open here. See what happens. And there we go. Market is opening. See what we do. See if we get a bounce here right at the open. Kind of expect it. All right, we're pulling back. Market doesn't know what it wants to do right now. Looks like we want to go lower. Hey, good morning, Matty Matt. Hey, you passed 20 evals this morning. Matty Matt is back. Matty Matt is back in business. I love to see it. Love to see it. Nicely done, Matty Matt. Don't hesitate to ban. You know me. All right, market's kind of going. I'm not sure. We'll wait and see. Kind of curious if we don't get a big pullback here. Kind of expect we get a big pullback at some point, but exactly, you know, we have a gap fill all the way down here at the 120. At the 230s. 230s, we have a gap fill. So maybe we want to go fill that gap. That could be a possibility. Looks like we are going lower. Hey, Christy Sears posted stats in Alpine. He posted stats in Alpine's Discord. Who did? Oh, I see. Oh, Matty Matt? Oh, okay. Or who? All right, now market trying to make a move higher. Very choppy open here. Very choppy. And do you have a code for MFF, Ryan? Man, I used to have, I'm not sure I do, Ryan. I don't think I do. Aiming for 21 points. Can you compare the 50K MFF, $80 versus $160? I should, yeah, I'm hoping to have a little more time to do some of that stuff. Hey, Rob Moores, good to see you. Hammond, Ario, good morning. Hey, Peter Shap. Jay Commode, still no payout from Apex after sending them video proof. Payout request still says under review. I'm sorry, Jay Commode. I mean, I would, yeah, you just, that takes time. I just have to be patient. You just have to be patient and don't trade the accounts. Don't do it. You just got to be patient. Wait for the process to go through. All right, we're back down we go. Seems very bearish right now. We just can't even get above this EMA. So right now I'm definitely looking at this might pull back more. Oh, okay. Nice, Ryan. Nice. Man, it looks like it wants to get going here, but we just can't seem to get anything going to the upside. Ooh. Also, there is the banks are on holiday today, so yeah, while I think about it, thank you to everyone. Happy Veterans Day, and a special thanks to everyone that has served, actively serving, or has served in any capacity, and also just all the families that included as well. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hey, good morning, John. Trading those release convos of FTT are crazy. Oh, I know, John. Some of that is just some crazy, crazy stuff. I received this email says it's from Rhythmic. Does it look genuine to me as all is working okay? Oh, okay. Thank you, Detonator. All right, we're down, making new lows down to the 250s here. Again, the 230s is where we would have a gap fill. This feels like that's where we're heading. 230s down to the 245s now. Now we are dumping. She dumping, boys. Dumping and now bouncing off of that 40 level. You have a feeling this market is going to be very easy to trade with technical analysis again? I don't know. You got a sore back today, John. John, you need to get yourself a lawnmower with one of those vacuum attachments to the lawnmower, John. I'm telling you, it's the way to go. It is the way. All right, let's see what make new lows here. Again, the 230s are the gap fill. Kind of interested in I don't want to trade this, but We're now at 100-point pullback from the highs here. Am I dumb for trying prop firms again if FTT just rug pulled me? No, Ryan. Just make sure you use the correct prop firms. That's the key. Don't be going after these fly-by-night and new prop firms. There's enough established prop firms in the industry that you don't need to go after these new ones. Don't go after the new ones. Go after the ones that have a proven track record. There's plenty of them out there. Apex, Top Step, My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader. Who else? I'm sure there's others. So, but yeah, the new ones, I would honestly steer clear. It's just not worth it. I mean, they might be legit. They might be fine. They totally might be, but to me, it's not worth it. All right, here we are at the 230s. There we go, testing the 230s. Official gap fill. Official gap fill right here. Let's see if we continue lower. It looks like we're just going to continue lower. Wow. All right, down to the 120s. Testing the 120s here. Or 220s, I mean. Wow. We just ripping this thing lower. All right, down to the 210s. What a sell-off here. We got ourselves a sell-off here at the open. If this gap fill doesn't hold, if we don't bounce here, then we definitely got to look for shorts today. We got to look for shorts. And it's looking like this is not... It doesn't look like this wants to hold. This is now the 200s. Testing that 200 level. A big move lower here. 15-minute opening range is closed. All right, let's see. I mean, if the 200s don't hold, we got lows down here at the 130s. I guess that could be next. But right now, this is looking very, very bearish. I kind of expect a bounce here at some point. If we get a bounce, we might have to look at taking a short entry here. It's kind of early in the day to trade, but lots of selling here. Lots of selling. 3-minute opening bar. Yeah, so John, I wanted to... So I've done a lot of back testing this weekend. I did a lot of back testing in this past weekend. Got some interesting results. And I don't know. We might have to test some things. I was actually I need to do some forward testing now. I back tested all the way. I'm going to back test a full year. And I have some things that I want to test, but right now, it's definitely it's interesting. I'm actually curious, John, what, like, the 3-minute bar, like how you were. I kind of had my own theory on it, on how I would play it. So yeah, it's interesting. It's interesting. Hey, and how we doing? Where do you get the data to backtest a full year? And I mean, I just see. I might be old fashioned. I might be kind of weird, but when I do backtesting, I have to do it manually. I always do it manually. So I literally do manually. I do everything by myself. Just manually going through here. This is what I do. I'll show you guys. This is how my spreadsheet looks when I do backtesting. You see all this? All this data, everything entered manually. I basically put in, I have formulas and stuff put in here, so it does everything automatically calculated. And then up here's my risk strategy. And then here's my entries. Here's my exit strategies. And then here's my profit and loss, etc., etc. So I don't know. I'm old fashioned that way. Like if I don't, I don't know. I'm using the 1 minute chart in this situation so that I can make sure that I have the correct entry and the correct exits. Yes, I use the 1 minute chart. And I don't know why, but okay, for me, part of backtesting is establishing the confidence in the strategy, right? So like if you don't have confidence in the strategy, it doesn't matter, like it won't work. So I have to manually put in all the numbers so I can see with my own eyes that this works or it doesn't work, and it helps me then when I forward test that I trust the process because I know the information I put in manually is accurate and I know it will work. And I don't know, that's just me. All right, here we go, making new lows. Just we had a nice little bounce here and just nothing. Did not matter at all. Now we're making new lows. Hey, and no problem. Yeah, I love back testing, like different theories, different I mean, so far the back testing, we haven't had a losing month. We haven't had a red month in the back test, and we're all the way back to May. So the biggest, like I'm tracking the largest drawdown, like the largest drawdown that we've had is $2,400. So right now I have my risk set at $400 per, like $400 is my risk per trade. That's what I'm willing to risk. That's basically my end all be all stop loss of 400. So, and we had at one time, I had a span of 6 losing days in a row. Right now, that's the biggest drawdown that I've had in, you know, back testing to May. All right, market, what are we going to do here? What are we going to do? Just feeling very bearish. No sign of relief. The guy on the trading floor, I know Red knows him. He uses the 30-second. Okay, he uses it as a trend trade. I use it as support resistance, and if I catch the big move, even better. Okay. Yeah, I can explain later then. I don't want to go into it too much, but I kind of established my I have very clear entry rules, very clear exit rules. Everything's pretty clear. That's how I need. I can't, when I backtest strategies, I can't use discretion. Like, you just can't. You can't use discretion at all because you already know what will happen. So if you allow yourself to use discretion, you will automatically have back-tested results that are not accurate going forward. It's just impossible. All right, we're stuck here, right here at the 190s. Let's see if we make new lows or if this will pop. Looks like we're making new lows. Yeah, I know. I'm saying, like, it's okay to use discretion when trading. I think that's totally normal. But when you back test and you look at the back test results, or if you're trying to establish a strategy, if it works or not, when you're looking at when you're collecting the data for the back test results, that's when I think you cannot use discretion. You just can't, because I mean, let's be honest, you can see what the results would be. You can see, oh, okay, if I were to enter this trade, it's going to be a loss. So therefore, I'm going to use discretion and not enter on this trade. So, like, you can't do it. And then if you didn't use discretion on your backtest results and the results are good, then you can't use discretion on your forward testing results either. Yeah, John, 100% agree. It's the management of that trade after you're in that matters. Yeah, I do agree. 50-60% losers get cut quickly. When I'm at my best, I'm good at letting winners run. I see. Yeah, I think that's a challenge for all of it. Okay, we have made new lows down to the 180s. Let's go, John. Let's go. All right, can we get a bounce go? We need to get something going here. The Bulls have just left town. Mm. John, because Tom got long and then yep, yep. I try not to, when I'm ready to trade, I try not to be listening to anyone. 'Cause I think it does make it does make a difference. I know it does. Cody, Cody, Cody. And look at that. We are continuing to go lower. Down to the 170s. I mean, at this point, we do have some support here at the 160s. But man, this is just continuing to go lower. Well, hi, Cody. Oh, I love you too. What? What are you up to today? Huh? Were you driving your tractor?
No, I'm driving my motorcycle.
Oh, you're driving your motorcycle. Yeah. Oh, I see. Were you going fast?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Can you say hi to everyone? You like your hat, huh?
Yeah.
Here, you should wear it like this.
No, not like
Yeah.
I need it like that.
You like that hat, huh?
Yeah. Not do like that.
You like that.
Yeah, we need to like this.
Okay. All right, let's get your motorcycle. Where is it? Okay. All right, boys. Hey, someone just subbed. Thank you, Tristan Towers. Thanks for the sub. I appreciate that. All right. I mean, some point here, this is. I mean, we gotta get a bounce here at some point. Something. I want to get a nice. Be nice to see if we come test this opening range low and get a nice short entry here, but we might not get it. This is just very looking very bearish. And about to make new lows. Maximus, it's all right. Oh. It's getting to the point where you just almost want to short any small pop, any small little move higher here and just short the top of this range, but I know better. We're going to follow the rules today. No impulse entries. We learned our lesson on Friday. I hope we did. YM is up 480 points. Are you kidding me? Oh my word. What? What is going on with YM? Oh, jeez. What is going on? That is crazy. Meanwhile, NQ's just, I mean, that's crazy. Oh, NVIDIA was added to the Dow. That's why. And it's an oil play. Okay. Wow, how's oil looking? Oil is going lower. How are we looking on the day chart? Man, oil daily chart looks pretty ugly. The gold chart daily continuing to go lower. ES continuing to go lower. NQ continuing to go lower. I don't know, man. Silent shift out of tech and into the safety GS. Yeah, I thought about that too, Peter Schaap. NQ was up 6% last week. Yeah, it does. It a good healthy pullback on NQ wouldn't be a bad thing. Right here, this is what we're looking like on NQ. Again, we definitely have some, the 130s are going to offer a interesting level here. If we come test the 130s, that's kind of where I expect something to happen. Right here, 125, 130 area. Man, I want to just get short here, but I want to see a little bit more of a move higher than this. I'm about to go short just at this range if we... See if we can get a bounce. All right, let's see if we can break this little trend here we got going on. We just cannot break that up, that downtrend. Can't break that channel. I need to be patient. What do I think about Elite Trader funding? I wouldn't use him. Elite Trader Funding has been known to just delete accounts if they get too big of a profit. I wouldn't use them. I think they pay out. Elite Trader Funding has a history of paying out. They pay out the small amounts, the small numbers, but they don't pay out the bigger amounts. All right, getting our first bounce here. Getting our first bounce. Now we can be ready to go short. If we can see a good setup, we're gonna take it. Well, I know Discounts was going to get an eval today, but no more sales. Are you serious, Chartist? I think it's Apex still has 80% off. If you try the NBT coupon code, see if it works. At least I thought it did. Does someone know? They don't have it listed on their website, but the coupon codes still work. It's still 80% off. 80% off, 1 day to pass, $85 lifetime fees, lifetime activation fees as well. Okay. This is our first official bounce here for the day. Now we just wait. We're gonna see the shorts take some profit here. We're gonna get a bounce. If we get up to the 2010s, I'm just gonna wait. I'm trying to be patient here. Now we're really getting a rip higher. She ripping, boys. Should be interesting. All right, and about to test this EMA and about to test the 15-minute opening range low. This is where I am kind of interested. Man, I hate... It's not giving me an entry here. Jeez. Not an ideal entry here at all. not ideal, but I don't know. We got to take it, I guess. We got to take it. Oh, this is not cool. Oh, man. Did I really just get bamboozled again? Hmm. If I'm trading, yeah, I'm trading MNQ. Oh, man. Kind of a make or break point right here. We're either going to reverse right here or we're going to continue lower. And right now, I do not like it. It does not look good for me. This is... It's where I feel like I should just kill this trade. I really feel like I should just kill it. Problem is, if I kill it and then it rips lower, I'm going to be so upset. Come on, need this to flush. Need this to flush lower. Come on. Don't give me another long wick here. A long wick here will be the end of this trade for sure. Flush it. Come on. I need to just not put my finger here on the trigger. I'm so... Oh, I'm so screwed. We just gotta accept the loss. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out. It is what it is. It's part of trading. I really need this thing to just flush. Oh man, this is brutal. This is brutal. My patience is struggling. Come on, get down through the 180, 178s here, please. Flush it. Flush it. Uh, Flush it. No, come on, baby. I almost can't watch. Mm. I'm going to move my stop here. If we rip above this, then I want to be out. Ah, that was a rough trade. Ay, 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 ay. We just never could flush through. We just, even after we broke, I thought if once we break this 178 here, I thought we'd flush down through and just never had any conviction to it. I guess now we wait. Oh, I just never liked like these kind of setups, like this kind of entry when we have this big of a candle, like then my entry's below this candle for a short. I just hate it. I'm not a fan of that type of entry, but I felt like I had to take it. If I don't take it there, it's probably, next time it'll flush all the way through and make new lows, and then I always get more upset if I don't take a setup and it works than if I take a setup and I get stopped out. So it is what it is. Does Apex have a new withdrawal requirements? They eliminated the payout windows, so you just need 8 days of trading. And of those 8 days, 5 of those days need to be at least $50 in profit or more. And then stay within the 30% consistency rule. And then there's also a 30% drawdown rule per trade. Those are the main rules to follow. No, Hoodstock, are you serious? You didn't pay for data, you were trading a delayed chart. Oh no. Ah, that's not good. Wait, yeah, I heard. So, Jake Spuge, what rule did Buellnox change? Okay, yes. Also for a buffer, you can take out only $500. So once you get to the profit threshold, then you can only take out $500. That's the one thing that Apex changed as well. Then if you want to take out 2,000, for example, for a 50K account, you need to get the account to 4,100 in profit. But if you get it to 2,600, you can take out 500. You can withdraw $500 of your buffer. See, this is where I'm not gonna take. This is gonna frustrate me like crazy now. If this rips lower, makes new lows now, I'm legit not gonna be happy. Gosh, I almost want to take another. I'm gonna take it. No, why did I do it? All right, it might be a short day, folks. Oh man, ay ay ay! I'm just getting destroyed. Hang on. All right. Do we have any hope? Do we have any hope? Yeah, this does not look good for us at all. Need a big wicking candle here. Hey, Mustafa. Good morning. Good morning. Good to see you. Good to see you. Oh, this is not gonna work. It seems like the Bulls are back. Man. 3. We are taking the L here. The way it looks. Our last hope is the 15-minute opening range high right or low. And there it is. I give up. I give up. Let's see if we reverse here. Man, that's frustrating. Hey, randomizer, good morning. My new trading strategy. Nutty says I'm gonna take it. We do the reverse. Hey, go for it, Dean Bishop. Go for it. Oh, I should not have taken that. Hey, trading on tilt. How we doing? It's just a bad place to enter here. Kevin G. I was doing pretty good until my girlfriend said her mom is coming to stay with us for Christmas. Yeah, at least hey guys, you know what the good news is? The good news is we have our golf clubs now. Sounds to me like we got an early day of golfing. I mean, I could take another trade. I'm just not sure I want to. This is now starting to look like we want to just full on reverse this. Oh well, hey, it's gonna happen. Golf is always good. I'm really excited actually to go try. I'm really excited to try some of the local golf courses. And I haven't golfed in probably 2 weeks or more. I'm not even sure. But this is, oh man, we have a problem. We officially have a problem, guys. I mean, ever since we got these 50K accounts, things just haven't been going that well. So maybe that's a sign. But these accounts are now officially on red alert. Officially on red alert. And these accounts, I mean, obviously these accounts aren't, we're just having a what is this? Third red day in a row? Not ideal. Not ideal. My only pause here is if this pulls back a little bit, we can get a long entry here. It'd be kind of worth taking a trade with a very tight stop loss on it. We need to get a nice little pullback maybe to the 210s. But man, oh man. My only critique today was, I mean, this entry here I was totally okay with. Like, this was fine, but when we failed to make a new low here, I should not have re-entered here short. I should not have. That was me. I mean, I kind of liked it. I talked myself into it because we rejected off the EMA here again, but I really should not have. Like, according to my rules, this was not a short entry. I should not have taken it. And now we're just a full-on reversal, folks. She ripping. We got the VWAP up here, the 250s, 245s. I guess we forgot one very important thing this morning. We forgot one very important thing. The market only goes up. The market only goes up. Yeah. Dean Bishop, if this continues, we'll have to change our channel to a golfing channel. What were your trade sizes on both of those trades? 4 micros. 4 micros on both of them. You can lose as much money on golf balls. Why not do 2 lots on the 50Ks? You mean 2 micros, John Adams? Hey, my thing is, I'm not going to baby these 50Ks. They're either going to make it or they're not. I'm not going to baby them. It's time they put on their big boy pants and let's go. I should have known. Should have known this market's going to reverse again. You're starting to hate Ninja? What's wrong, Faisal? By the way, don't forget option expiry week. Oh, true. True. And we just continue to go higher. Looks like we want that VWAP. That is what we're looking at here. Hmm. One positive one. What is on my desk? One positive is at least we didn't get stopped out and then it reversed. At least we got stopped out, and or this is how I like getting stopped out. I don't mind getting stopped out like that. I don't mind at all. Makes me feel better. Mm. All right, getting our first pullback here. If we can get another entry with a really tight stop loss, then I will take it. If not, then we might just call it a very early day. Hey, Rainy, I gave a read to the Apex rules, and basically you should use at least one mini on a 150K account. Your contract size can't be too low or too high. Not really, Rainy. They just don't want you fluctuating like huge, like they don't want you trading one micro or two micros and then switch to 3 or 5 minis. Know what I mean? Like they want you to have consistent contract size. But I mean, I wish they would be more specific on exactly what that looks like to them. But yeah. Every time I have Chinese leftovers for breakfast, I end the day in red. Maybe I need to start monitoring what I eat. uh, okay, a little bit of a pullback from the... We didn't quite make it to the VWAP, but very close. Now, let's see. Will it continue to pull back or not? Oh, boys. She pulling back now. Whoa, what is this? Big rip lower. That's a big move. We received your pay, but unfortunately, after we were not able to prove your payout was not minimum balance not met. So JJKMI, yeah. So if you, so again, JJ, we have to understand the rules here. So what? How much did you request, JJ? Your balance is at 2,600. That means you can only request $500. If you requested 2,000, yeah, you're going to get rejected. There is a safety net required. So if you have your account balance at 2,600, the most you can withdraw is 500. they allow you to withdraw 500 of the buffer, but if you want to withdraw 2,000, the balance would need to be 4,100 in profit. When did you request, JJ? The futures trader? No, that's not true. Yeah, John, I saw that. That's crazy. Yeah, see, now we're just ripping lower, and I don't really have any desire to I don't really want to mess with this. Which prop firm? Rug pulled? Fast track trading. Yeah, it's crazy, John. It's crazy. Man, do we want to take a stab at this? I'm going to take a stab. This is our final shot. It's going to be a short and sweet one, folks. It's either going to work or it isn't. And then we're going to call it a day. Basically going off that VWAP if we make it or not. This is our final bullet for the day. Come on, need this to rip. Really wanted this to be spiking higher right here, like a big green boner candle here if we can get it. Come on. It's looking sluggish. Looking sluggish. I don't know. Maybe we want to go test the lows again. What? Didn't stop? Hello? It only filled me on one. Excuse me? All right, that's gonna stop us out here. It is what it is. Wow. Red day, man. That's just how it is. All right, guys. I think I'm not gonna mess around. I'm going golfing. I am going golfing. Time to shut it down. Especially, I do not want to see this rip higher now. I do not want to see it. I do not want to be here for it. I'll keep it in the fairway. I'll try. Sorry for the short stream, guys. I mean, it is what it is. Oh, it's been a rough 3 days. We'll be back. We'll be back. All right, everybody. Take care. Appreciate everyone.